Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on NTPC. Analyst maintains buy of the company with a revised price target of Rs 374. NTPC plans to tender 7.2 gigawatt of thermal capacities in the next 2 to 3 years, apart from the under construction thermal capacities of 17.6 gigawatt. Renewable energy capacity target remains strong of 3 gigawatt, 5 gigawatt, 8 gigawatt addition in FY25 to 27. Valuation of 1.7x FY27 price to book value is reasonable, given strong long-term growth prospects, and the stock offers a decent dividend yield as well. Next, we have an update on SBI. Analyst maintains buy rating on SBI with a target price of Rs 90. The bank is confident of sustaining loan growth at 14 to 15% and guides for ROA of 1% and ROE of 15% over FY25 to 27. Asset quality outlook is stable, and the bank does not expect a meaningful impact on margins in case of a shallow rate cut and has levers to curb margin compression. Risk reward has turned favorable after the recent correction. At the current market price, the stock trades at 0.9x and 0.7x its FY26 and 27 core book value estimates. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in the last 12 months. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.